So Saturday is Lunar New Year, but we've decided to kick the celebrations off a little bit early.
Yes, today we're joined in the Your Morning Kitchen by Chef Craig Wong, who is going to show us how to cook up a festive dish that can be shared with friends and family. Welcome, Craig.
Welcome.
Gung hei fa choi.
Gung hei fa choi.
Yes,
Okay.
indeed. All right, what are we making today?
Well, everyone thinks that Gung hei fa choi means Happy New Year. It actually means I wish you get rich this year.
I like that too.
Yes, I'm a big fan
I
of
like that too. Okay, so crab.
Yes.
I've got to ask you about crab because for me, very intimidating.
Of course.
Look at it, of course.
And look at
Imperial
it.
snow crab fried rice. We're serving at patois, and we're doing it until the Sunday. It's such such an easy dish. They come.
Is it though? Look at it.
They do. They come fully cooked. All you have to do is just reheat them, and you think about a flavorful sauna bath. So in the restaurant, this is how we do it: sous vide.
Yes.
So simple, but
Yeah.
if you don't have like a $2,000 fancy machine, you must have paper towel.
I have that. I have
Yes, I can do this, okay.
It gets heavily used in my house. Okay.
Give it a spray with some water.
And I need one of those
Oh, so
too.
just damp.
Yeah,
Okay.
just damp. Just think about it like a little bit damp.
Okay.
You wrap that up, and then you go into plastic wrap right afterwards.
Okay.
Now this goes into your microwave, 2 minutes,
Stop
and you
it.
have perfectly heated
That's
snow
it.
crab. That's it, 2 minutes. Toss that with
I can do
some
this.
flavorful butter.
Okay.
You got some lemon zest,
So
some
then, but you put it in
tarragon.
just like this, and you
Just
let
like that.
and you let
Just-
it do its work like that.
It's just aromatic
Okay.
sauna of flavor. Just think that.
All right.
That is
Okay.
Anything you want to
beautiful.
put
And
in
then
there.
ha-
And that's it.
And then,
And
how
then
do
we're
you,
gonna make our fried rice.
and how do you get it out real quick?
So after this, you just like stir it together and just to get it out.
Yeah.
Crab. So.
Oh, actually,
just
out. I was like,
think of
high
that.
five. Let's
Yeah.
high five.
Okay.
So
No?
it's so simple. Break it like that. You got nice big chunks
Look
of
at
crab.
that.
Just like that.
Oh, that really is easy.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right.
So simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the star ingredient.
You got it.
Yes, that's
But
the
it's
main
going to play
show.
well with others. So what else are we doing here?
So now we're gonna make our fried rice. Now here we have a plain fried rice, garlic, some egg, some Chinese broccoli, also known as gailan, sliced, and so you get the stems and the leaves, and the backbone of the flavor of this dish, crab paste.
Okay, explain what that
this-
is to me.
So think extra virgin olive oil.
Okay.
So we ferment crabs, and then we extract all that goodness. And everything gets
All right.
pressed out of there. The tamale, you get the crab meat,
this smells
and
good.
this is some
So
more
there's
crab
some more
meat.
crab meat
Some
in
more crab
here.
meat.
You got
Okay.
it. Toss that right in there,
Toss it
stir
in.
it together.
Should I be a faster or slow stir?
That's all good. Just
Okay,
like that.
great.
And we're gonna start plating it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll let you finish that
The
up.
most
Yeah.
important thing for any fried
switching.
rice is this
Yeah.
nice, heavy, non-stick pan.
Yeah.
High quality, best pan that you can get. You know, you buy one of them, they last you forever.
And this contraption's amazing.
Exactly. We
Yeah.
use this in our restaurant. My
It-
wife is obsessed with rice in a pyramid, so of
Okay. All
course I
right.
had to get
Who
that for
wouldn't
her.
be? Rice in a pyramid. I mean, look
You
at
got
that.
it in that pyramid shape. So we toss it into our mold.
Oh boy.
This is great.
Yeah, this is so
That's a
fun.
boy.
great. This is a like.
I feel like you could use, like, if you've got like a jar or something, a mason jar, you could put in there
Yeah.
and then do the same kind, whatever you have at your
Yeah,
house.
I think so.
To use as your mold. I mean, your wife is clearly into the pyramid, but maybe
So,
you're
yeah.
more like a cylinder type of person.
Yeah, Craig. This is not necessarily like specific for Lunar New Year. This
No,
is just
this
it's just
is-
a pretty plating.
This is just super fun.
Oh, okay,
It's just fun.
Such fun.
And then you
And
push
you
it down.
press it down like this, and you invert right onto your plate. Now here we have a jalapeno aioli.
You're saying all the words I love, man.
Oh, that
There we
looks
go.
good.
Nice
Wow.
pyramid there. Then we add our crab legs right on there.
I mean, it looks like you've done a lot of work
Yeah.
too, right?
It is,
It
but
would impress people.
it's so simple.
Yes.
Fried wonton crisps,
I mean, I actually feel I could do
the
this at home.
scallion.
I know, me too.
Yeah. I know one thing I can do is I can absolutely
that.
test this. Here for you. That's for you.
Are you sure you don't want this one?
Absolutely.
No, I got this
This
one.
is more
Now
your
talk to us
speed.
about this. So while we're eating this, talk to us about these over here, Craig.
Chinese New Year snacks, very typical, you know, a little bit of sesame, some honey. But for me, it's all about this rice. You know, we're serving at Patois. Come check us out, 794
Whoa.
Dundas.
Look at you.
Such a great place.
Oh my
That
God.
is really good. That is really,
Delicious,
really
right?
good.
Oh my God.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, I'm in. All right, by the way, you can find this recipe on our website. Gung hei fa choi.
Gung hei fa choi.
All right, have a great night. Look at him go. We'll be right back. That's adorable. That's really good.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.